Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, taking a shower, getting ready for work, and walking outside the door, briefcase in hand, to your car. Instead of getting in the front seat, however, you get in the back seat because there's a person sitting at the steering wheel of your car. Great, you say to yourself, someone's going to drive me to work. It's about time. But instead of heading in the direction of your office, the driver takes you in the complete opposite direction like a bat out of hell, leaving you clinging to the upholstery for dear life. 60 minutes later, the car comes to a screeching stop. The driver jumps out and another driver gets behind the wheel, and that driver too speeds off in a random direction. This happens a dozen times throughout the day, and you return home late for dinner. Alive, yes, but frustrated. The work you were planning to do in your day will now have to get done in the evening. You wake up the next morning, and like a scene out of Groundhog Day, the event repeats itself again, day after day, week after week. Hello, I'm Bill Zipp, and I help sales leaders achieve long-term success with a people-centered approach to performance. This is video 6 in a 7-part series on how to develop self-leadership. As goofy as this story sounds, it's not that far from the truth. No, there isn't a physical carjacking going on in your life, but for most of the sales leaders I work with, the course of their daily activities have been ceded to others over which they have no control. Instead of actually getting any work done in their day, they race from place to place, meeting to meeting, doomed to do their actual work in the evening at home or on the weekend. In the end, both their professional lives and their personal lives suffer. So here's the solution. The 6th skill of self-leadership: how to get the most out of every day. 1. Plan the week. Making the most of every day starts with having a plan for the week. Not a rigid plan like a straitjacket, but a basic template for the next 7 days. Return to your answers to the questions I posed in the first video of this series on the 4 life tasks: the self, love, work, and service task. Then ask one question for each. What are the most important things I can do this week for this area of my life? Create a top 10 list of these most important things. This list isn't everything you'll do in the week, but they are your top priorities, your most important things, your big rocks. Less than 30 minutes once a week, and you've got step 1 done. Late Friday afternoon or early Monday morning is perfect. Now it's time for step 2. 2. Schedule the plan. If you had a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, how would you make sure you got there? You put it in your calendar, of course. Nothing really magical about that. The fact that a doctor's appointment is scheduled on Wednesday allows all the other activities in your day to fit around that appointment. Do the same for your top 10 list. Assign a day, date, and a time to each activity and watch the other activities of your life fit around them. And now 3. 3. Course correct. Finally, take a few minutes at the beginning of each day to check in with your plan and make adjustments as needed. Missed your workout because of an unplanned sales meeting? Reschedule it for this afternoon. Skipped a one-on-one because of a sick kid? Reschedule it for the next week. Any airplane flight and any day in the ever-changing world in which we work has things happen that take it off course. Course correction keeps your life and leadership on track. and gets you to your desired destination. In my next video on how to develop self-leadership, we'll explore the last self-leadership skill: stop working on the weekend. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single session. Or better yet, schedule an appointment with me to discuss your specific sales challenges, because every salesperson deserves a great sales manager. Thanks for watching.